Namaskar friends, myself Vaidyalika Gupta. Today we will talk about hard water. What Ayurveda says about hard water, how to cleanse it, what kind of water purifier we should use for drinking water, what are the problems we face due to hard water in skin and hairs, and some home remedies to avoid this problem due to hard water. Usually people who use underground water or submersible water or tube well water face hard water problem in skin and hairs. How this hard water occur? According to Ayurveda, Jalam ekam vidham sarvam patyendra nabhastala tat patat patitam chaiva deshakal apekshate. It means that rainwater is same for all regions in the country. But according to characteristic of land of that region, the underground water have hardness or softness. How to know that water you use is hard water or soft water? Usually due to hard water there is scaling in pipes, taps in your home. Also a white kind of layer, powdery layer in the utensils after washing them may appear due to hard water. And also by using TDS meter you can know that the water you use is hard water or soft water. According to WHO, below 600 TDS, the water is good for drinking. You must know that TDS means total dissolved substance. That means measure of dissolved substance in the water is known as TDS. Also, below 100 TDS, water is not good for health. So, the water between 100 to 600 TDS is good for drinking. In between 100 to 300 TDS water is very good, ideal for drinking water, and from 300 to 600 is average drinking water. Above 600 TDS water is not good for taste and also smell, so it is not good for drinking. What are the problems occur due to hard water? According to Ayurveda, if you did not purify your drinking water, then on long run you may face some kind of health problems like indigestion, abdominal pain, skin related disorder, repeated running nose, coughing or asthma like disorder. Also we see on using hard water everyone face skin and hair problem as hard water have a lot of minerals. So after bath, when this water is dried up on your skin and hairs, these crystals block all the pores in your skin and hair. So the natural oiling and nutrition process of hair and skin is disturbed and obstructed. Also the hard water is alkaline in nature and the skin is acidic in nature. So the skin is affected and you may see itching, redness, rashes in the skin, dry skin or hair fall, graying of hairs or dry dull hairs. Also people see more dandruff due to hard water. How to purify and which purifier to use? First of all, today purification of water is need of time, it is not a luxury. Because we see a lot of pollutants are inserted in our water bodies. So the drinking water must be purified for everyone. Any purifier which have 4 processes anyone can use. First is sediment filtration. Sediment, that means sand particles or carbon particles which are filtered in sediment filtration. Second is carbon filtration. That means dead plants and dead animals dissolves are filtered through carbon filtration. Third is mineral filtration. In this mineral filtration, we have 3 kind of filtration process available in the market. First is RO, it means reverse osmosis. Second is NF, it means nanofiltration. And third is ultrafiltration. If TDS level of your available drinking water is below 300, only ultrafiltration is sufficient for drinking water. And if the TDS level is between 300 to 900, then nanofiltration is needed. Above 900 TDS should be filtered through reverse osmosis. You must know that RO, reverse osmosis, was developed for marines where the drinking soft water was not available for months. So the salty water was filtered through this RO, reverse osmosis process, and the drinking water was prepared. And fourth is ultraviolet chamber, which have ultraviolet light infusion through the chamber in which water is flowed. So the all pathogen, bacteria, virus are killed by this ultraviolet light. So we should use our water purifier according to the TDS level of our available water. And water purifier having all these four processes: sediment filtration, carbon filtration, mineral filtration and ultraviolet chamber is good for purification. If we have a very hard water and for daily use also we want soft water, then we can use bathroom water softeners. What are home remedies to avoid hard water problems? Hard water is usually alkaline in nature. So, use of naturally acid things will help you. It means if you use curd before hair wash, then it will help you. As like if you use lemon water with baking soda after shampoo and keep it for 2-3 minutes, then wash it, it may also help you. Except that use of Epsom salt before use of water for hair wash and bath is also beneficial. Use of vinegar before hair wash is also beneficial. Use of alum to purify your water is also beneficial. There are some chelating and hard water shampoos available in the market. You can use them to avoid hard water problem in your hair. If your skin is very dry due to hard water, then you can use glycerin, rose water and lemon juice combination application. Also, aloe vera is very beneficial to apply on the skin for the hard water nuisance. So, apply these methods, eat right, stay healthy. Thank you.
For queries and to know more about Ayurveda, write us and to connect with us, subscribe our channel. Thank you.